Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Muhammad Rekna Syafendi, and today I will give you an IT tutorial about how to use a remove background website. Okay, let's go to the point. Okay, we have an image here, but first we have to open remove BG or remove background website. Okay, look at this, and you can find it. Click this. Okay, what is remove BG? This is a website for making an image that didn't have any kind of background, so just like the main material of an image. So just we go to the remove background here, remove backgrounds page, and we have to say this website says upload an image to remove the background. Either we can use upload an image or drop a file, or maybe pass an image by a link, just like this. Okay, we have a picture here. We copy the link of the image. Okay, so either we can use a shortcut, or maybe we can use we can't do this. Either we can use a shortcut of Windows, because I use Windows here. We use Control V. Okay, so the image appears right here. Oh, I'm sorry, I used the wrong image. Okay, we can try another image. Okay, this one. Okay, we copy the link as usual. Copy the link of the image, sorry. Then we use the shortcut Control V. Okay, there you go. The original there was a background, but if we press the remove background, so this is like no background. Okay, it's like big pixels. Or we can edit some of our design here, but actually we can download it. Instead, if you want to download HD, maybe you have to pay, so we just download, or maybe just copy it directly, the image. Or we have Designify, and we can edit something here like the background, but I don't want to use it. Okay, so we can download the image. There you go. The image is downloaded, and we can open it. Now, you see that there is no background on the image. Okay, yeah, I think that's all from me. I'm sorry if there is kind of mistake. Let's not say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.